The question that sounds simple, but isn't, I'm going home to the Philippines for my sister's wedding. I'll only be away for 2 weeks and then I'll come right back to Korea. Do I need any special permit before I leave? At first glance, it seems like an easy question. Most people expect a simple yes or no answer. But after more than 22 years of living in Cheongju, I have learned that immigration matters are rarely that simple. Whenever someone asks me this question, my response is always the same. What visa are you holding right now? E9, they usually reply. How long have you been in Korea? Almost 3 years. Then comes the question that often leads to silence. Have you checked whether you need a re-entry permit? A long pause follows. What's a re-entry permit? And that is where many problems begin. Many foreign workers assume that leaving South Korea is as simple as booking a flight, packing a suitcase, and heading to the airport. Unfortunately, immigration rules do not always work that way. Every year, foreign residents discover too late that a visa has expired while they were abroad, a required permit was overlooked, or an unexpected restriction prevents them from leaving the country altogether. Some find out only after arriving at the airport. Others discover the problem when they attempt to return to Korea and learn that their visa is no longer valid. Before you book your ticket, there are important things you need to know. Understanding exit bans. When leaving Korea is not allowed. What is an exit ban? Most people have heard of an entry ban, a restriction that prevents someone from entering a country. An exit ban is the opposite. It is an official order issued by South Korean authorities that prevents an individual from leaving the country. In practical terms, this means a traveler may arrive at the airport fully expecting to board a flight, only to be stopped at immigration and prohibited from departing. Why are exit bans issued? For foreign residents, the most common reasons often involve unresolved legal matters. Examples may include ongoing criminal investigations, serious civil disputes, major unpaid fines, significant tax-related issues, cases involving property damage or legal claims. In many situations, authorities impose restrictions to ensure that an individual remains available while a case is being investigated or resolved. The problem many people never see coming. One of the most frustrating situations occurs when someone does not even know an exit ban exists. Official notices are generally sent to a person's registered address. However, if a foreign resident moves and fails to update their address with immigration authorities, important notices may never arrive. The first sign of trouble may come at the airport itself. That is why keeping your immigration records updated is more important than many people realize. Re-entry permits. Your ticket back to Korea. What is a re-entry permit? A re-entry authorization confirms that your immigration status remains valid while you are temporarily outside South Korea. Without proper status or permission, leaving the country can sometimes affect your ability to return under the same visa. Do all foreign residents need one? Not necessarily. Re-entry policies vary depending on visa category and immigration status. Some visa holders enjoy broader flexibility, while others must carefully review their eligibility before traveling. The rules can differ based on visa category, length of travel, current immigration status, validity period of stay. Because immigration regulations change over time, travelers should always verify the latest requirements before departure. A critical warning for E9 workers. One of the most common mistakes made by foreign workers involves confusing a valid visa with a valid return date. Many workers believe, but there is a crucial detail many overlook. Your visa must still be valid when you return. Imagine this situation. Your flight to the Philippines is in June. Your return flight is scheduled for July. However, your authorized stay in Korea expires in late June. Even if you left legally, your immigration status may expire while you are outside the country. When that happens, returning may become far more complicated, or impossible under the same visa. Before purchasing a ticket, always check whether your visa expiration date extends beyond your planned return. This simple step has saved many workers from heartbreaking surprises. What happens if an emergency delays your return? Life does not always follow schedules. Flights are cancelled. Natural disasters occur. Family emergencies happen. Unexpected illnesses can delay travel plans. If circumstances prevent you from returning before your authorized period expires, seek guidance immediately from the nearest Korean diplomatic office and gather documentation supporting your situation. The sooner action is taken, the more options may be available. Waiting until after a permit or visa expires often creates additional complications. Pre-departure checklist. Before heading to the airport, take time to review these essential items. Check your residence card, verify your visa expiration date, review your immigration status, keep proof of employment and approved leave, update your registered address, back up important documents, keep copies of passport, residence card, employment contract, travel documents. Having backup copies can make a major difference during emergencies. Going home should be a celebration, not a crisis for many Filipinos in South Korea. A trip home is more than a vacation. It is a reunion with parents, a chance to attend a wedding, a long-awaited hug from children left behind, a return to the people and places that shaped us. But excitement should never replace preparation. The most expensive travel mistake is often not the airline ticket, it is failing to understand the immigration rules attached to it. A few minutes spent checking your visa status today can protect years of hard work tomorrow. Before you pack your bags, make sure your documents are in order. Before you head to the airport, make sure your status allows you to return. And before you leave Korea, remember that understanding the rules is one of the best forms of travel insurance you can have. Safe travels, kabayan. May your journey home be joyful, and your return to Korea smooth and trouble-free. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, please support Pinoy Sarang by thumbs up, liking this video, speech balloon, leaving a comment, loudspeaker, sharing it with friends and family, bell, subscribing to the channel. Follow Pinoy Sarang for updates on Korean immigration law, balance scale, labor rights and workplace issues, family, man, woman, girl, boy, multicultural, family matters, books, life in South Korea, trophy, community news and events. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.